Hey, welcome back for another update. This time I want to take a look at DOGE. Last video I made, I was implying that bulls really needed to step up if we were not to expect a longer correction. Well, they did not. And so there is a probability that that price has completed the correction of wave 2. For a recap, since early December on the 8th, we completed wave 5 of 1, and therefore we were expecting an ABC to the downside for wave 2. That ABC took the shape of a 5 move to the downside for wave A, an expanding triangle as A, B, C, D, E for wave B. Notice how price at the end of the expanding triangle reached and rejected from the 70.2% retracement level, taken from the high made early December all the way down to the low made at the end of December on the 20th of December. Now this A and B being completed, we went down to make a 5 wave to the downside for the C leg. Now this is where it gets interesting. This 5 wave to the downside started with wave 1 here as a leading diagonal, A, B, C for wave 2 over here. And now printing the third leg, we had 1, 2, 3, an A, B, C, D, E contracting triangle for wave 4, and final happening, the liquidation cascade, very violent for wave 3. Wave 5 of 3, I'm sorry. The low made on the 3rd of February was for a while the bottom of the trading range, because we had a 3 wave to the upside for wave A, we had 3 waves to the downside for wave B, and then 5 to the upside for wave C. But notice how wave C came short of taking over the high made of wave A. So that's probably an indication that wave 4 as an ABC, it is probable that it did not finish here. Let's assume that it did. Once wave 4 is finished, you go on to the downside still, 5 waves for wave 5. 1, 2, that's the black count. 3, 4, and then 5. Okay? So it is probable that the top of wave 4 correction came in here, and then we finished with 5 over here at exactly 18 to 98 on Binance. If that's the bottom of wave 5, then we finish a 5 of C, which completes the entire picture of this wave 2 correction, ABC to the downside. Notice how, once again, price came to the 70.2% Fibonacci level. Now, if that is indeed the end of wave 2 correction, then we expect wave 3 in circle to start printing and to go, once it's finished, much higher than 48 cents, 49. There is, however, a possibility that wave 4 correction did not top here, but actually expected to top somewhere here. The reason I'm saying that is the way wave 5 unfolded. There is a lot of overlap. Okay? It is possible that this A, B, C in black is actually an A wave in and of itself. And that this in orange A, B, C is actually a B wave. If you do count starting from B in orange, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, or 4, and then 5. So you essentially have a B, and a C to the downside. That would be wave B in orange. Wave B being completed, we would look for wave C to unfold. Now wave C are expected to unfold in 5 waves. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1, and then a correction ABC, for wave 2. The way it looks at the moment, it's very similar to a leading diagonal. And should this be a wave C still being printed, we expect, given that wave B broke the starting point of wave A and went to trades much further below, we expect wave C to also do the same to the 138%, around 30 cents. Now, the way we can dissociate whether the black count is playing out or the orange count is going to be tricky because both parts are expected to unfold in 5 waves. The only difference will be how far they go. If price, and I'm going to take the top of wave B, you remember this expanded triangle. If the price on its way up, and I'm plotting retracement levels, gets above the 70.2%, it will be a very strong indication. So 70.2% at somewhat 36 cents, very strong indication that we are in the playing out the black count. Now, if the price fails to clear the 50% retracement at 31 cents and start to print a downward movement, that will be an indication, quite a strong one, that the orange count is playing. Both counts expect price to go up. And the reason why I'm making this video at the moment is because whether we print a 3 in circle and we go much higher, or whether we print the orange and we're still in the correction, in the short term, both are expected to go up. And so with an invalidation being so close from the current price, taking a position at the moment is having a good risk to reward ratio, at least if you play the top of the range boundary. And so with that being said, that's the end of the video. Thanks a lot for watching. You take care. Bye-bye.